solid bodies here, as you can see. I'm going to show you what the indent feature does. Kind of interesting. You have a target body, which is what you're going to indent. And this right here is your tool body, which is what's going to do the cutting. Now, you can have an offset or a clearance between, you can see what it's sort of doing. I mean, it's creating this big kind of a shelled surface or hollowed surface that actually surrounds the part. Or you can just cut into the part, if you want to. But basically, the center part's considered a tool, so this is like the space that you want left over. But then the thickness of what, and offset, this clearance, allows you to specify a gap. Like for example, I can go 2 millimeters on the gap, and that gives us an actual gap between the tool body and the cutout. But I'm going to set it to 0, and we're going to create a 1 millimeter thickness dent in it. Which may not have worked. It actually did produce an indent, but so let's try it again. I deleted it, and what I did is I shifted this down so it actually pierces the surface. Okay, here's our tool body. That's our target. That's our tool body. Same settings. It did produce an indent, which actually just goes down to the surface. Okay. So if I hide it, you can see we've actually got, a tube that was cut into the surface, and it is a separate entity. Let's see what the strengths of it are. Oh, maybe it's not a separate entity. Okay. Yeah, so it's strange. Why didn't it act like it's merged? Oh. Solid body, copy 1. Okay, yeah, it did. It produced a merged, merged result. So, in fact, let's take a look at it. That's weird. I guess that's just a reflection. Okay, but yeah, so you can see, kind of what it did here, produced a cross-sectional tube, as part of the part. So kind of interesting. I'm still not sure, about the usefulness of it, but, so, I don't know. Okay, what I decided to do is I went and deleted, using the face delete and the surface. I don't know why this keeps turning fucking orange, but this drives me nuts. At any rate, I'm using the boundary surface. Let's see, to try to patch it. Okay. Okay. option for trying to form a solid with it. That Windows crossing thing didn't work worth a shit here. I have no idea. You'd think this thing would be smart enough to always try to face this towards your viewport. Anyway, it looks like it worked. So anyway, it's kind of strange.